Creating an electronically fillable information retrieval template is easy with Signature. With an intuitive drag and drop interface and powerful customization options, preparing your templates has never been easier. A form is a data retrieval template that would allow recipients to fill in requested fields that will populate the guest details in your Tokeet account. Forms can contain text boxes, checkboxes, and data dictionary codes. The form editor uses a combination of drag and drop data fields and customizable labels to allow you to easily place and identify the different signer and data fields in your template. Let's take a closer look at how it's done. From your dashboard, navigate to Templates on the left-hand navigation bar. Then select the form that you have uploaded. From there, navigate to the far right and click Place Fields. Click on a signer or data field from the menu on the left and drag it into the editor window. You can drag and resize each field to position it perfectly with your template. Then click on each field to specify which signing role is responsible for completing the field. You can edit the label of the field, and this will update the visible label when the recipient opens the form. Click on the field again to collapse the signing role. Next, you can insert a text box to retrieve custom information from your guests. Modifying the label field will allow you to create custom guest attributes in the Tokeet Guest Details page. Any information entered by the guest will be visible there. Next, insert a data code from your Tokeet account by adding data dictionary fields. Click the Data Dictionary button to view the list of selectable data codes so that you can click and drag the data code you wish to insert. And that's it. Managing every aspect of your forms is just one of the many exciting features with Signature.